What's going on, everyone? This is Sam and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little continuation video from last week's where I talked about the 22 pallets of Home Depot tools and lighting and electrical items that I purchased for around $11,100. About half of the items arrived towards the end of 2 weeks ago and the rest arrived last week. So here I am at my storage unit. All the items are in here except for the bigger, bulkier items that I have stored somewhere else. But I'm just gonna show you guys around some of the stuff that came in these sets of pallets and some of the stuff that I had from the lighting and electrical pallets that I purchased about a couple months ago. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright everyone, so welcome to my storage unit. I'm going to go ahead and walk around. I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that came in the previous pallets, the 22 pallets of the tools and the lighting. So right underneath me, I have this bin full of just random tools like these little clips. I got some wrenches right here as well. I have about 4 bins of these full of items. I have this one as well, and this one, and there's another one down here that I have as well that are going to be tools. All of these tools right here, they cost me on average $9 each to purchase as a bulk order of these 22 pallets. I expect to sell these anywhere from I say $8 to about $25 to $30. There are some on there that I lose money on, but overall, like some of the bigger items, if I sell something for like $20 and I sell something for $5, that's $25. That still, averages out to more than what I purchased these products. I also got a bunch of these cans right here. These are like commercial electric recessed can lighting that you can use with some of these halo lights that you see right here. Exit signs, these all came in the previous lighting and electrical. Got more door trims than I would expect it, but it's okay because these ones are perfect items to take to the swap meet. You just lay them out and people like to dig through them. I got a bunch of these 21-inch QEP Quip Pro Tile cutters. I got about 15 of the 21-inch ones, and then back here you can see I got a few more of the longer of these. These ones are 24 inches, which are a lot bigger. Let's see. I got 8 of these Husky 4-drawer cabinets. These ones are sweet because they go pretty fast and everyone always hits me up for those. Those I'm actually asking $100 for, but I've been taking anywhere from $80 to $90. I got a lot of mailboxes. These ones are perfect swap meet items as well. I got 5 of these DeWalt Tough System 2.0 radios. These ones are really cool. $200 is what I'm asking. I've been taking $150 to $180 for these. Some of them are used, so I can't really ask $200 for them, but like this one right here is brand new and it's original packaging and everything. So that one, $180 is the lowest I usually accept. I got a bunch of these Husky 20-inch drawer bin organizers, perfect for like your screws or your like drill bits and all that stuff. Let's see, I got a wall of more DeWalt toolboxes. Got small ones, big ones. This actually right here that's holding a lot of my tools is one of the toolboxes that I got as well. It's these big DeWalt Tough Chests. There's another one right under, sorry, pardon the lighting guys, it's not the best in this unit, but there's another one right here, this big guy. These ones I'm asking $65 for. The best I've gotten for was $60. Most people will accept $55, which is fine with me because I got them for a lot more or a lot less, pardon me. Let's see, I got a bunch of hoses. These ones right here, the black ones, are for power washing machines, as long as as well as these gray ones right here, and this blue one right here that's used is for paint guns. So those ones are perfect for swap meet as well. People like to dig through those. They see that I usually ask a lot less for those than what you would find them at the store, so people love that. got 25 of these sawhorses, these husky sawhorses. I have like 6 of them left. These things have just been going, man. It's awesome. Asking 35, been taking 25 to 30 for them. Let's see, guys. Man, all of this lighting stuff that you see right here, I've had these from previous pallets that I purchased. There are videos on my channel if you guys haven't checked them out. Feel free to do so. It talks about all the stuff that I purchased and how it's been going. But yeah, guys. Also in my other unit, I have about 30 of those industrial size husky shelves. I'll post a picture somewhere so you guys can see what they look like. But those ones are my hot ticket items. I got those for like $10 each. I've been selling for $225 to like $150 is the cheapest I'm asking from, which is awesome because once you sell them all, like that's all your money back just right there in those items. So, but yeah, guys, that was it for the 22 pallets of the tools, lighting, and electrical items that I just purchased. Overall, I'm really happy with the items that came. I spent $11,100 on them. I say roughly I expect to make about $25,000 to $35,000 from all of these items. So, but you know that's assuming that every single one of them sells, which they will, but they don't happen overnight. So again, guys, realistically, this is a really sweet business if you guys can get into it. There's a lot of money to be made. However, it does take time and it does take effort. It's not one of those things where you just sit back and you know the money rolls in, because it involves a lot of different things that you have to do in order to make this a successful business. Well, anyways, guys, with that being said, I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you guys stay up to date to all my new videos and content. So see you guys all in the next video.